Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing something that could completely change how you think about crypto investing. If you've ever wondered how people are turning just $100 into thousands or even hundreds of thousands in a matter of days or weeks, you're going to want to pay close attention. Recently, I came across a private crypto signal group called the Genesis Multiplier. Inside, members are getting early access to ultra-low market cap tokens. These are coins that most people haven't even heard of yet, but they have insane potential. We're talking 10, 20, even 100 times gains in a short time frame. One of the most jaw-dropping examples, a coin called Fartboy that reportedly did a 30,000 times. That means $100 would have turned into nearly $300,000. Sounds crazy, I know, but the results are right there in the group's history. The best part is, it's not just about throwing money at random coins. When you join, you don't just get the calls, you also get step-by-step training that shows you how to find, buy, and take profits from these types of tokens. Even if you're a complete beginner, the system is designed to walk you through everything. You'll even learn how to automate the whole process using free trading bots. Right now, they're offering lifetime access for a one-time fee of $197, but it's only for a limited number of people. After that, it switches to a monthly subscription. So if this sounds like something you want to be part of, don't wait too long. If you want to learn more about the Genesis Multiplier group and how it works, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.